Are you tired of worrying about your truck's rear window when hauling heavy cargo? A headache rack is the perfect solution to protect your F150 from potential damage while also adding a rugged, stylish look. In this video, we'll review the best headache racks available, analyzing their features, durability, and real-world performance. Plus, you'll find links to all the products in the description below. Let's dive in and see which one suits your truck best. Starting with the Magnum Low Pro, this headache rack is designed for those who want both style and functionality. Its all-aluminum welded construction ensures durability while keeping it lightweight and resistant to rust. The powder-coated finish enhances its appearance and longevity. Installation is made easy with an included wiring harness and mounting hardware, so you can quickly get back on the road. Its glide track system allows for accessory customization, making it one of the most versatile racks available. Safety is also a priority, featuring 4 oval LED lights for increased visibility. With a sleek, low-profile design that sits flush with the cab, this rack is perfect for truck owners who want protection without sacrificing aesthetics. Next up is the Westin Headache Rack, a commercial-grade option designed for ultimate rear window protection. Its heavy-duty steel construction and welded tie-down hooks provide added security for your cargo. The angled louvers not only protect your rear window, but also provide shade, keeping your cab cooler on sunny days. This model features 4 mounting tabs for additional lighting, which can be a great bonus for work trucks. While installation requires some drilling, the added stability and security make it worth the effort. Plus, the 2-inch diameter round top tube ensures easy loading of ladders and long materials, making it ideal for contractors and tradesmen. Finally, we have the RealTruck BACKRACK, a stylish and functional headache rack that's built to last. This model is a great option for those who want a balance between work and aesthetics. It mounts easily to existing stake pockets, eliminating the need for drilling on most trucks. The simple open design makes securing cargo quick and hassle-free. One of its standout features is its compatibility with select tonneau covers, so you don't have to choose between cargo security and bed protection. Built from reinforced steel and finished with a black powder coat, this rack offers superior strength and resistance to scratches, chips, and corrosion. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a durable and visually appealing rack. That wraps up our review of the best headache racks for the F150. Whether you're looking for ultimate customization with the Magnum Low Pro, heavy-duty protection with the Westin Headache Rack, or a sleek and practical option like the RealTruck BACKRACK, there's a perfect match for your truck. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for more details and pricing. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more truck accessory reviews. Thanks for watching.